All right, let's jump in. What's up, everyone? My name is Ryan. I'm the CEO and founder at UpKeep. Today, we're going to do a quick video tutorial about what is preventative maintenance. We'll do a super deep dive in about 3-4 minutes. Cool, let's start. All right, so the first question, what is preventative maintenance? Preventative maintenance is really a type of proactive maintenance to help keep your equipment assets in order and reduce the amount of unscheduled downtime for your equipment. So a most common use case for you guys in a facility managing preventative maintenance or using a preventative maintenance technique is you choose a piece of equipment, you define a preventative maintenance interval, so maybe that's on a monthly basis, a weekly basis, or a quarterly basis. Once that time interval is reached, we decide that we want to perform a preventative maintenance task. This could be a changing of air filters, lubing of bearings, etc. So we'll go out with this preventative maintenance task. We'll go out and do that job. And then the next time that that interval is reached, maybe the next month, next year, next quarter, we'll have to repeat that preventative maintenance job. Cool. So there's two main types of preventative maintenance. There's one that's based off of a calendar interval. So that could be that time-based interval that we just went over. And then the second type is usage-based preventative maintenance. This could be like meter readings, log into your system. For example, that could be, you changing your oil every 3,000, 6,000 miles. And then once that specific meter reading is met, then you'll go out and perform that oil change that you've been putting off every single month. So two main types of preventative maintenance, one based off of time and one based off of usage. A big question that people commonly ask is, how do you determine the right amount of preventative maintenance? If you go too much, if on one side of doing preventative maintenance too frequently, you wind up losing a lot of resources. If you go on the other extreme of just waiting until your equipment breaks down, you wind up having all of this unscheduled maintenance and unscheduled downtime of your equipment. And so what you need to do is you need to map out what the cost of your preventative maintenance program is, map out the cost of what your breakdown corrective maintenance would be, and there is this optimal zone right here in the middle. You do this by continuously testing and to figure out what is the right interval of testing and preventative maintenance. And over time, you'll learn that there is this optimal maintenance zone of not too much preventative maintenance, not too little, and not just being reactive every single day, and also staying proactive. Cool. So there's 6 key benefits to doing a preventative maintenance program at your facility. The first one is enabling your team with a preventative maintenance schedule really helps reduce downtime of your equipment because you're very proactive with it. You're not waiting until that piece of equipment breaks down. On top of that, you'll also find that when you're treating and managing your equipment very well, you're going to extend the asset lifetime, extend the time of that equipment can stay up and running. Additionally, since you're not waiting for breakdowns to happen, you're going to increase safety around your plant, around your facility, and reduce the risk of any injury because we know how costly that can be. On top of that, being preventative and being very proactive with your maintenance schedule allows you and your team to better allocate all of your resources and better plan your day, your week ahead. Very commonly, what you find also is that preventative maintenance is a lot less expensive than doing a lot of corrective repairs on a day-to-day basis. And ultimately, what we're all trying to get at is better margins for our facility and making sure that we can increase profits. So we obviously know that downtime is extremely costly for our facility, and having a very solid preventative maintenance program enables us and allows us to have, a reduced downtime to help increase our margins. Thank you. So that's a quick deep dive into preventative maintenance. Thanks for watching.